Welcome back. In this segment, we're going to be looking at these three tools: the Favorite tool, the Unmark tool, and the Reject tool. Those tools allow us to mark segments of our clips down here that we would like to add to our video and those we would like to reject. We're going to start by marking a clip as a favorite. In this first clip here, I am going to mouse over until the dog is looking directly at the camera. Once the dog's facing the camera, I'm going to hold down my mouse button and drag across the clip to create a yellow ring. Then I'm going to go up and click the Favorite button. It will add a green bar to the top of that segment, indicating that is a clip I would like to add to my video. Next, we're going to reject a clip. I'm going to skim over to this next clip with the boys and the toy gun. This is not footage that I want to add to this video. So I'm going to select the entire clip by holding down my mouse button and dragging across the top of it. And I'm going to come over and click the X button. This is the reject button. Once I reject that clip, it removes it from the event library. The last button we're going to look at here is the Unmark button. Earlier, I selected this portion of the first clip as a favorite. But now, after watching it, I have decided that I want that clip to end when the dog places his head on the floor, right about there. So now I'm going to move my mouse over until the dog places his head on the floor, and I'm going to select that last portion of the clip, and I'm going to come up to the Unmark button. That removes the green line, and this portion of the clip is no longer included in my favorites. Down here at the bottom of the screen, we have a show menu. Right now we are showing clips that are unmarked and that have been selected as favorites. I have some other choices. I can select favorites only, and it will show me only clips that have been selected as favorites. I can show favorites and unmarked, which is the default where we started. I can select all clips, which shows me all of my clips, and you can see that the rejected clip with the red bar at the cross, it still appears, so I can still access it. It just doesn't display unless I'm showing all clips or showing the next selection, rejected only. So by clicking on the show menu, I have choices as to what I view in my event. I'm going to go back to the default favorites and unmarked. So just to review, by using these three buttons here, we can favorite a clip, we can unmark a portion of it, and we can reject clips. Then, to organize our event by clips that have been favorited and rejected, I can choose different menu settings based on what I want to see.